Bikes are simple machines, but you should make frequent checks if you don't want to be left stranded. We don't have the time to guide you through each step of how to check and adjust everything mentioned, but there are loads of videos and guides online.
Make sure none of the spokes are broken, that the wheels aren't buckled and they're secured. Also, you'll tire much faster if you don't have enough air in your tyres.
Everything needs to be kept clean and lubricated, or it'll wear and could break, leaving you stranded. If the gears are out of adjustment or the chain is worn, professional repairs are cheaper than you might think. Doing it yourself is surprisingly easy too.
If your saddle height isn't set properly, you'll soon wear yourself out. Your legs should almost straighten when the pedals are at their lowest point. Don't have the saddle stem above the maximum safe height or it could snap off. Also, check that the handlebars aren't too tight or too loose. They're adjustable.
Whether your bike has disc brakes or rim brakes, they need to be set up properly. If a brake disc is damaged, it won't spin smoothly. Also check that the pads aren't worn. If your bike has rim brakes, check they're acting on the wheel instead of the tyre, that they're tight, and that the blocks don't need replacing.